The global consensus value, GCV, isn't a real market price. It's a collective aspiration created by the Pi community to symbolize what they believe Pi could be worth one day. It's emotional, motivational, even visionary, but not economically validated yet. Let's break it down in plain terms. Not simply a number means GCV represents belief and unity, not just math. It's a shared dream meant to keep the community focused and inspired. Arithmetic that refuses to be swayed by ceremony reminds us that the open market doesn't care about internal declarations. Price follows data, usage, demand, and liquidity, not community sentiment alone. Test of translation refers to whether Pi network can convert symbolism into real utility. Can all that energy and unity actually power a functioning economy? That's the real test. Metrics like merchant counts and transaction volumes are the proof points. Until Pi is used widely for goods, services, and verified transactions, GCV remains an internal vision, not a tradable truth. Treat the GCV as a motivating vision, not a guaranteed destination, meaning pioneers shouldn't abandon belief, but they should ground it in realism, work to make Pi usable, not just valuable in theory. And that closing metaphor, the ship must carry value on an ocean that doesn't respect symbolism, is a warning. The real crypto market runs on transparency, utility, and liquidity. To survive there, Pi must earn its value through function, not faith. In short, hope built the ship, utility will decide if it floats. But cryptocurrencies don't exist on hopes. Crypto prices are not presented or given to crypto projects like names. So many forces add up to make the price. Know this and know peace. See you in the next video.